clearly?
Yes, Master. Your voice and you are clear.
Okay, thank you. Welcome, friends. Welcome for Qatar meditation session. Just now we finished our 30 minutes of meditation, and today we will be discussing on the topic pyramid power and pyramid energy. I will share a PPT. Please just confirm the screen is visible or no. Is it visible, the screen?
Okay.
Okay, thank you.
Yes, visible.
And pyramid is a word derived from Greek language. Pira plus Amid. Pira means it's a divine fire. It is life energy. It is biocosmic energy. And Amit means in the middle or center. So pyramid is nothing but energy in the center. It is the cosmic energy in the center. And history about pyramids. We have Man has been building pyramids since ancient times. From almost 3150 BC, it has been constructed, and we can find pyramids in even the Egyptian and Mayan civilizations also. Because it's not new; it's already there. But now we are knowing the importance of these pyramids, and now using the pyramids in our meditation, everything. And this is a pyramid structure which I am sharing, friends. A pyramid consists of four triangular faces, and the angle is 51 by 51 with the square base. With this measurement, this is perfectly aligned to the it gets connected basically to the grid, Earth grid, and it receives more cosmic energy. And pyramids have been aligned to the north, south, east, and west directions. Everything. And because of this angle measurement, what happens? We receive more maximum energy in compared to other structures. And you can see in the screen also how the angle measurement, everything is about the pyramids. And next, pyramids are storehouse of cosmic energy. Because of the shape, angle, and orientation, pyramids have can receive high amount of cosmic energy, and maximum amount of energy is accumulated at 1/3 of its height. It is known as King's Chamber. Basically, in the pyramid, from the 1/3 of its height, it is known as King's Chamber. There, you can receive more amount of cosmic energy. And as I told, it is used as storehouse for energy. Even in the Egyptian times also, they used to use these warehouses to store the vegetables, fruits, because it doesn't spoil soon. Basically, because of the energy, the food doesn't spoil soon. That's the reason they were using like a warehouses in the Egyptian times, everything. And this is a science of pyramid energy. We are having everywhere the solar energy, but just by keeping the paper in the outside, it doesn't get burned. What you will do, you will try to use a magnifying lens, and you will try to burn the paper or the leaf. In the same way, in the universe, there is everywhere the cosmic energy in abundance. But if you want more amount of cosmic energy, what happens? When we use a pyramid, what happens? Because of the angle measurement, it gets accumulated one point, and the energy will just flow down. If you're wearing a pyramid cap, the energy just flows down. And I will show the pyramid cap to you. This is a pyramid cap, which is just you can wear this pyramid cap when we meditate. And when I'm wearing this cap, what happens? The energy is coming to the center point, and from there the energy will just flow down. If you're wearing it, the energy will just enter our body basically. That's the reason we use pyramids also while we meditate. And when we are doing our meditation under a pyramid, it's nothing but pyramid meditation, and it is 3 times more effective. With if you're doing a meditation without pyramid, if you're doing for 1 hour meditation, same thing you're doing with a pyramid, it is 3 times more effective. It is equivalent to 3 hours of meditation. Basically, what happens? The number of times increases. What meditation you do without a pyramid, same thing with pyramid, it intensifies and it multiplies basically your meditation. And he is the famous author. His name is Osho, and he has shared about the pyramid and he has told that pyramids are especially constructed for the spiritual purposes and for the spiritual sadhanas to be carried with very great ease and advantage. And you can easily fall into deep silence and meditation without any difficulty. This is told by Osho, is a great master. And here are some benefits of pyramid meditation. You can experience calm state, because what happens with a pyramid, your meditative state increases because you can easily reach that thoughtless state basically, and it helps in quick healing. Any kind of diseases you can heal easily with meditation. You combine with this with pyramid, that's it. We do not depend upon any medicines basically. You can heal everything with meditation, this cosmic energy pyramids in life. You would not depend on any doctor, any medicine, nothing you require. Myself, it's almost last 10 years, I hardly visit doctor because we generally don't take any medicines. Everything we heal with the cosmic energy, meditation, and the pyramids only. It's my practical experience which I have got benefit from this pyramid meditation, everything. And there's increased immunity when we use this pyramids also, because the cosmic energy is being absorbed by our bodies basically. And there is reduction of negative thoughts also when we use these pyramids. And memory power increases, and this is very much helpful for the studies. The children, for them it's very helpful for the studies, because myself I started meditation in my CA final studies. Then I was able to study almost for 10 to 12 hours with awareness and concentration. I was amazed how I'm getting so much awareness, this concentration. Then I came to know there is something in this meditation, this pyramids. From that day, I am regularly practicing meditation using these pyramids. And even the students also who is studying, they can just place a pyramid beside them and they can study. And that creates energy basically in the room, and you easily increase your memory for everything. Next benefit is your quality of sleep increases by meditation. Because it is not the quantity of sleep, it is a quality of sleep that is required in for humans. Because what happens in the meditation, you receive cosmic energy. Even the sleep also, you take the cosmic energy. The only difference is in the meditation, it is happening consciously, and in the sleep, what happens? It is unconscious. Because it's unconscious, so the energy is very less. You will receive very less amount of cosmic energy. But in meditation, what happens? You are doing it consciously. Any activity, when it is done consciously, you receive more amount of cosmic energy. That's the benefit of pyramid meditation. You increase your quality of sleep increases basically. And there is uniform distribution of energy also when you use the pyramids. Everyone will receive the equal amount of energy from the pyramids also. And there is decrease in the amount of violent weather patterns also. This experiment also people have done in India. In Andhra Pradesh, there was in some areas where there were many accidents happening. They tried to place these pyramids in those areas, and the number of accidents reduced in those areas. Like that, they experimented also in India, in some parts, some states in India. And it's helpful for the preservation, because when you're keeping any fruits or vegetables under the pyramid, it doesn't spoil soon, and it remains fresh for the longer periods of time also. Same thing with the water also. When you're keeping the pyramid under the water, what happens? The water is getting charged with the cosmic energy, and you are consuming that water basically. You indirectly you're taking the cosmic energy inside. So like that, it is very much healthy for our body also, and it increases the resistance to the diseases also. Many diseases you can heal easily, as I told. This is meditation pyramids. And you experience out of what experience also when you use these pyramids. There is astral travels happening. There is increase in the productivity also. This also experiment they have done in India. While putting the seeds for the crops, what they did, they placed the seeds under the pyramid for 5 days, and they put the seeds in the soil, and the yield was increased almost, as is checked there, 20 to 100% yield has increased, because the seeds have been charged with the cosmic energy, and they got very good crops also. Like that, they experimented on the seeds. The farmers all experimented, and there was amazing results by this pyramids also. And she is famous author Ramtha. She also told same thing. They have did many experiments on the razor blades and how they preserve the food, and it was amazing results they got. I'll be sharing even one a book there is on the pyramids. After the class, you can go through that book also. You can to get more idea on those pyramids. And this is pyramids are portals for higher worlds and dimensions. Dr. D.J. Nelson and his wife, Gio, produced this Kellyan photograph of pyramid energy using a Tesla coil in 1979. You can see this all the experiments, how they did with the pyramids and how the energy is just flowing with the pyramids. You can see in the diagram, in the right second diagram. And this is a pyramid valley. It is in the India. It is a very big pyramid size, and you can see in the middle that is King's Chamber. From the 1/3 height from the pyramid, it is there. You have more amount of cosmic energy. It is known as King's Chamber. And India have many pyramids also. For the meditation centers like that it is. It's an amazing place to visit. If you get a chance, you can definitely visit these pyramids in India also. And yeah, across the globe also we have in many countries also this meditation centers which are constructed with the pyramids also. And he is the founder of PSSM, Brahma Subhash Patriji. He has told that pyramid is a great symbol for stability, secularism, spiritual science, and it's a great symbol for New Age. And there is a website also where you can visit for to get the pyramids also, friends. And I'll be distributing today for free pyramid caps to whoever has come. And whoever has missed the class, you can just message me and you can contact me. I can give you the pyramid cap also. Whoever is missed the session or who is attending online, you can just message me. I will try to give you the pyramid cap also. And you can experiment yourself this all, because myself experimented in my house also, because we are using one phone and it was constantly we were getting problem and there was no proper battery backup. What I did was we placed it under a pyramid for some days and kept, and later on the phone we were getting very good backup and the problems also got very much reduced. Like that we did experiment on the phone and even on the filter also, the water purifier. We used to get continuously there was problem in house. Always there was some problem in the water purifier. What we did was we placed the pyramid on the water purifier and later on there was very less it was. The problem was very much reduced basically. Before that it was every month we used to get some other repair was happening for the water purifier. Then we did experiment with this pyramid. We placed it on the water purifier and the problems got reduced. It was very hardly it was anything repair happening to the water purifier. Like that, we also did many experiments. Myself also, you can also experiment it basically. You can do anything and you can get benefit, because we have got the benefit from this pyramids meditation, and now we are trying to tell this benefit to everyone. Basically, that's it. Because very simple technique, you can create wonders in life basically, friends. That's the reason we are trying to share everyone, because there is misconception people everyone, because we think in Egypt we have got the pyramids, we think we have to store for the dead body. It's not, it's wrong misconception people which has happened. This is a great instrument or the pyramids to receive the cosmic energy, and it is wonderful. You can get benefit for the meditation. And in the house we are just placing the room, every water house, just it gets charged with the cosmic energy basically. That is a great benefit of pyramids, and you can create wonders, and it multiplies your meditation basically 3 times. It's more effective. So try to use these pyramids when you meditate, and it is not compulsory, it's up to you. If you want, you can meditate without pyramid also. When you use pyramid, it is 3 times more effective. That's the reason we are trying to tell about these benefits to all the people whom we come across, friends. That's the session for today's, friends. Thanks a lot. If anyone has any questions or doubts, please unmute yourself and you can ask the questions. Thank you. Thank you.
Would you also meditate here when there's full moon? Would you also meditate here when there is full moon?
Yeah, correct.
It's in a few days' time, I think.
Yes, correct.
So you come here?
Yeah, we can definitely host. On the full moon days also, there is more amount of cosmic energy. When we are in group meditation, when we're using pyramids, when we're in the nature, and the full moon days, when all is combined, it is more effective, the meditation.
And you think this is the best spot to know how to do outdoor meditation?
Anywhere it is, not just any spot. In the nature, you can spend your time. for
But
the
I think this is a nice thought, but I was just wondering.
because we are doing from almost many sessions here. So the energies are created here basically. It's like that. When we meditate continuously any place, what happens is that the energy forms there basically. It's like a in house also when you try to meditate, no, for doing it same place, what happens? Their energies get formed basically. That's the reason you will feel very effective also. And here we almost meditating from last 5-6 months every Fridays in the same spot in this Maya Park. So there is so much energetic here basically. We are meditating as a group here almost every.
And how did you discover this spot?
Just randomly we
Random.
came and we started here meditating. Every Fridays we are meeting here. Like that is. 1 second. Okay, friends, if you don't have any questions, I will end the live in the YouTube and you can share if anything you want, friends. Thanks a lot, friends. Thanks for